This is not just any SUV. This is Justin Bieber's Mercedes G63, a true symbol of power, luxury, and bold street presence on the road. Over time, dust, scratches, road wear, and heavy use started to show. Now the G63 slowly enters the workshop. Every angle is checked carefully. Every small detail matters here. The deep cleaning process begins. Layers of dirt are removed. The real condition is finally revealed. Damaged parts are taken off one by one. Problem areas are repaired with precision and care. This isn't a rebuild. This isn't a reborn story. This is a professional G63 restoration. Fresh paint brings back the original shine. Panels are refined and aligned. That aggressive G63 look returns. This is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a celebrity machine. Justin Bieber's Mercedes G63. Power feels restored. Luxury feels refreshed. Presence feels unmatched. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more.